It's prep day at Meal Prep Sunday, and we're getting everything ready for our out of this world green Harissa Glazed turkey meatballs. As far as prep, we're going to be knocking out our onion, zucchini, red pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, rice, and let's not forget the riata sauce. Sounds like a lot of work for some meatballs, right? Well, not if you want to keep your meal prep exciting. Think about it. So many people fall off their goals because other greasier and fattier things are more exciting than what most people are prepping. Not us though. Our expert level chefs use their expert level craftsmanship to produce flavors you could pay top dollar for at any restaurant. But admittingly, our meals are of higher quality than most restaurants out there. All the veggies we're prepping are organic and fresh because all of our vendors are local, allowing us to get produce straight from the farmers. We take pride in going the extra mile like this because we take the ultimate pride in supporting our customers. We want to save you time. Just to make the meatballs, we have to mix the ground meat with our harissa sauce, continue to mix those in with seasonings to give it killer flavor, then form them into meatballs just to ultimately sear them for texture and to cook them. This is a multi-hour process just for meatballs. And with the time we're saving you, this allows you to become more productive, to free up time, to get in shape, which leads to better discipline and improved mood. Just overall, a better existence. Let's dive into the cooking process. It's Wednesday after all. We start by sauteing a melody of fresh and colorful vegetables, bringing out their natural flavor. Then we cup the green harissa sauce, a masterfully crafted blend of spices and herbs that will elevate the meatballs to new heights. While the sauce simmers, we cook a fragrant saffron rice on the side, adding a touch of elegance to the dish. Now, it's time for our tilt skillet, where we're going to shape the meatballs with precision. Once formed, they go into the oven to achieve the perfect texture and seal in those incredible flavors. At Meal Prep Sunday, we believe in an adoptable and sustainable nutritious routine, which is why our mission is to provide meals that not only nourish your body, but also excite your taste buds. Say goodbye to monotony and hello to flavorful meals that keep you motivated. Our goal is to deliver dishes with flavors that are not only easy to adopt and sustain, but also give you remarkable results. Join us at Meal Prep Sunday, embrace the power of flavor, and let us guide you towards a healthier, tastier lifestyle, where we'll be plating our meatballs to your macro and micronutrients needs. Are you ready for the grand finale? It's time to plate those mouth-watering green Harissa Glazed turkey meatballs we've been teasing you with all week, and let me tell you, they're not just pretty, they smell absolutely amazing. At Meal Prep Sunday, we take healthy eating to a whole new level. We're all about making your taste buds happy while helping you reach your fitness goals. How do we do it? We custom portion your meals based on your specific needs. Whether you want to bulk up, slim down, or find your balance, we've got you covered. Every bite is a step closer to your goal, packed with a perfect amount of protein, carbs, and fats. And guess what? When you start eating better with Meal Prep Sunday, you'll start feeling better too. Say hello to higher and more sustainable energy levels, supercharged brain power, and a happier you. Plus, those curves and gains you've been dreaming of, they'll become a reality, thus boosting your confidence to new heights. Our mission goes beyond just physical transformation. It's about unleashing your maximum potential, physically and mentally. And for all of our eagerly awaiting clients that's been watching us prepare this meal all week, we'll show you how we work our magic with the state-of-the-art packaging technology we have that keeps your meals fresh and delicious for a whole week after they land at your doorstep. So get ready to savor every bite and conquer the world with Meal Prep Sunday. It's Friday, and guess what? Your green Harissa Glazed turkey meatballs are just about to reach your doorstep, but this final step is super important, so listen up. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you already know about our awesome map technology. We're pretty proud of it, and you should be too if you tasted our meals. So here's the deal. This amazing machine eliminates the oxidation process, keeping the oxygen of your food at just 1% instead of the usual 20.9%. Translation, your meals stay fresh for a whole week after they arrive. But wait, I'm not done. We take extra precautions to ensure your food is top notch. We check the temperature, making sure it's below 40 degrees before we even pack it, so there's no danger zone in your food. Plus, we even check the oxygen level of our packages, so it's safe to say we're confident in the quality of your food. It's like a guarantee. Okay, now that's all great and super technical, but what does that mean for you? It means you get to enjoy fresh, delicious meals every single day. No more leftover feel halfway through the week like we're used to with most meal preps. It's a total game changer for sticking to your dietary goals. Trust us, it's like a night and day. And here's the best part. Having fully prepared meals you can depend on saves you precious time. Forget about boring grocery shopping, cooking, and cleaning. Instead, focus on what truly matters to you. And did we mention it will save you up to $60 a week? Yeah, no more gas costs driving back and forth to the store. Now, if all this value talk has your tummy rumbling, it's time to become a client. Here's an exclusive offer for you. Get a whopping 50% off your first order. Just use the code FIRST during checkout, and each meal will only be $5.90. Hungry yet? You should be. Thanks for sticking with us and following our journey this week. Keep an eye out for next week's mouth-watering meal. It's gonna be epic. See you then.